Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Mick Jahim. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be dominating the Siege 1v1 scene, right? Just came out, or not too long ago, the Siege 1v1s. And I'm going to be doing it with no sound. That's right, you heard me. Popping the image of the guy popping out the AirPods. That's how I'm playing today, right? We're going to go in here, go to audio, master volume, mute that bitch. Just mute that bitch. So yeah, we're playing Siege 1v1s with no sound. And as you know, for Rainbow Six Siege, sound is pretty dang important. It's one of the most telling things of how to know if someone is like behind you or really anywhere. If they're like a sound cube, I'm putting a breaching charge on a wall. Literally anything has to do with sound in this game. But I'm still going to dominate because I'm just that good at the game, obviously. I'm a 1v1 machine. Okay, let's see if we can find him real quick. We have found him. We have found him. How did he not kill me? Hold on. See, we're good here. Oh, give me that! Give me that! Come here. Bang. Don't run.
Down to 5 seconds. Ball out MVP. Ball out MVP.
I've been targeted by Damoth. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Wire. Do something now. Beat. Oh, I've been targeted. Gotta move. Where you at? Hold on. Let me cook.
Snag. I'm a snag.
Oh, get that out of here! So he shouldn't be in garage. I've got news. Oh, well. Oh, he's out of this. Peep it. Fake. Oh, where is he? Where is he, bro? I can't hear him. This is not favorable. Oh, yep, I couldn't even see him. What is that shotgun? To just from that far. I was low. I was 12 health. That's fair. Where art thou? He found it because he's in here? Ain't no way. I've got news. He is in here. He is definitely in here. Hold on. He laid down! No, I couldn't hear him. I couldn't hear him lay down. Oh, that should have been mine, bro. Dude drop shotted me in the big 2-6. Oh, gosh. Peep the Grim pick. Think about it like this, right? He gets a hard breaching charge. He has an ability that lets me see where people are if I hit him with it. And a shotgun pistol.
Use your drone to locate a bomb.
Goat, I think so. Ah. Imagine.
I see you.
Give me that! Give me that! Grim's 2 OD, bro. He's 2 OD. Okay, wait. Peep this pick. We go gym, bedroom, smoke. I shotgun footholes all in the other OBJ so I can see when he gets in there. Then, I don't know. Sipping a bubbly bit like bourbon. Dirty, dirty. Did he go basement? No. No. Oh, he's vigil. Yuck, yuck, yuck. That is not good for the comp I'm doing. For the comp. For the challenge I'm doing.
Damn. He really about to rock my shit.
We'll go Warden. Oh, wait. Full black eye strip. Full black eye strip. Tough. And I'm a dog, so I can control the SMG 12 recoil.
Go anytime.
Oh, you dirty bastard. Dirty little bastard, you. Give me that butt. Give me that butt.
A bomb has been located by Op 4.
How in the hell am I alive? What's the play, man? How'd that hit me? Hold on. Give me that!
Eliminated. Mission successful.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Bam! The finger gun.
Who was it? Who'd he play? No, I'm actually selling. Aroni. I didn't ban anyone. Fuck. And then he banned Grim. Fuck. I'm blind. He's either in or just bait and teasing that. Because that gentleman was going off. He's officially shot that. Okay, wait, that is also down. Not that. Okay, he's for sure in sight right now. Holy shit on! Oh my goodness.
Hostiles eliminated.
Holy shit on, buddy. Don't try and play that. Don't play in. Dude, I don't know what my fucking problem is right now. My goodness. He's gonna play Vigil and then I went over his, cause fuck me. So I played Deimos and I just outskill him. Thoughts? Oh my gosh, you're so good. How'd you think of this? It just comes to me. I don't know. It just. No. We are not gonna say that. It just comes on me. What? Okay, come on. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, you mother. Oh. Alright, alright, alright. Is he gonna shoot that? He is. So you know what we do? Oh, well. We go in and we get our back blast. It's what we do. Huh? Peep this play. What we think? What we think? Gas or ass? My vote's on ass. I just saw some of the craziest shit like ever. Like first time in the world I've seen a graphic for this. Diego, you can't really read it. Diego Pavia from college football got a graphic posted by the NFL for getting invited to mini camp. What are we doing? Genuinely, what are we doing? Hold on. Right.
Mission critical. Bomb diffuser activated.
Alright, so you gotta be in that corner. Saw him. Oh, I almost pre-fired. We gotta get going. Sit down. Sit down. Where's this bomb?
Diffuser located.
Defuse! Defuse now! Get him up on now!
Disable the bomb.
Not even close, baby.
Bang.
Somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit?
What do you mean?
Well, it was fucking one of yous. Disgusting!
No, we peeked!
We have been
Oh my gosh. Great round. Putty. Thanks, I guess.
bomb diffuser in place.
Oh, I see him.
Remember, switching to your pistol is always faster than reloading.
Shit versus ass. Who wins? Oh my gosh, it's shit. Oh my gosh. Yes! Oh my. Give it a sec now. Give it a sec now. Minden heal server. Minden heal.
No.
Ah. Cool.
On bombs. Op
Now we put
4
one where
has
he
the
doesn't
diffuser.
expect it, right? Right here. He's not gonna come in through the window, he's gonna come in through the door, and then bada bing, bada boom, vice versa. Pim DOS. He dies. Okay. Let's get on cams here.
Op 4 found a bomb. You must defend it.
Somebody found the bomb. I don't think he got that.
Give that guy a map. Where are you going?
Oh shit, Jay. You gotta shoot him.
But why is it red?
Jay, you gotta move!
Oh, okay. Well, word.
Been eliminated.
Hold on. Is that moving because he's there? Yes. That'd be a yes to that question. Holy shit! Oh, hey, no! Oh my gosh! Just dropped my pants and dropped the deuce right in his mouth, bro.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
What?
Bada bing, bada boom. Where you at? Why am I lagging so bad?
Damn. He don't got a clue in the fucking world. Good luck.
Oh my goodness! Shit on! Bent over and... What'd Drake say? This a rollie, not a stopwatch. Shit don't ever stop.
This is trash.
All right, match point. We low-key pull out the scum pick. We pull out the scum pick to seal this off. No room for error. This guy's not winning this game. Oh, well, never mind. Never mind. He just left anyways.
Op 4 eliminated.
He just ended up leaving. I guess he had enough. Also, if you stayed this late, you get to see a little mini pack opening. 4 packs. Let's see how it goes. All that for a green, bro. Green again. Do I get anything better than a green? Let's see. Hold on. Close my eyes. That's got to be good. Ah, green. And as always, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And stay safe, stay blessed, stay positive. Peace.